Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a new course which is called Python course, and this is the second video of our course. And in today's video I will teach you what are the IDEs and IDEs, which is called integrated development environment, and how it is important to use IDEs for any programming language. So here I choose some slides. So what is IDE? An integrated development environment. IDE is the software or applications that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. And next slide, what is IDE? An integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development, or you can say you can perform other tasks than it. An IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, or debugger. It allows you to create, edit, compile, and run programs written in particular language. So that's why we have to IDE is basically a software which save our time, and it makes fun to do coding in IDE. Otherwise, we have to code in like CMD command prompt, which is not user friendly interface for beginners. So let's see which IDE we have to use. So we are using in this course VS Code. This is the best code editor for Python, and it is very easy and handy to use. You just have to download for Windows. If you have Mac, you then click on Mac download. I already installed this, so I do not install, so I cross this. So you have to download this and install this. This is very easy to install. It has no rocket science. So let me show you the difference between IDE and CMD. So this is CMD. When I write Python, then I am entering in Python. So this is not a user friendly, or you can say that this is not a good way of code. It is also very important, but beginners cannot understand this interface. So we use IDE, or you can say a software which help us to code easily. So here I search for VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and I already did some projects here. So this is the basic interface of VS Code, and I can show you how you can create files and other things here. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.